Antara Mandire Jago Jago Madhava Krishna Gopal. 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 Navaruna Sama Jagoro Doye Mama. 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 Sundara Giridhari Ram. Sundara Giridhari Ram. Madhava Krishna Gopal. Madhava Krishna Gopal. Antara Mandire Jago Jago Madhava Krishna Gopal. Antara Mandire Jago Jago Madhava Krishna Gopal. Nayane Raghanaye Betari Bado. Nayane Raghanaye Betari Bado. Jago Jago Tumi Kishora Shama. Jago Jago Tumi Kishora Shama. Radha Krishna Prantama Jago Rodoy Mana. Radha Krishna Priyatama Jago Rodoy Mana. Jago He Goste Radha Madhava Krishna Gopal. Jago He Goste Radha Madhava Krishna Gopal. Antara Mandire Jago Jago Madhava Krishna Gopal. Antara Mandire Jago Jago Madhava Krishna Gopal. Jashoda Dulalo Esho Esho Nanicho. 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 Pranera Devata Esho Kishore. Pranera Devata Esho Kishore. Pranera Devata Esho Kishore. Pranera Devata Esho Kishore. Loe Radha Bame Radhi Braj Dhame. Loe Radha Bame Radhi Braj Dhame. Loe Radha Bame Loe Radha Dhame. Loe Radha Bame Radhi Braj Dhame. Esho He Braje Radha. Esho He Braje Radha. Madhava Krishna Gopal. Madhava Krishna Gopal. Antara Mandire Jago Jago Madhava Krishna Gopal. Antara Mandire Jago Jago Madhava Krishna Gopal. Madhava Krishna Gopal. Madhava Krishna Gopal. Please arise in the temple of my heart, O Madhav, O Krishna, O Gopal. Please arise, glowing radiantly in my heart like the new sunrise. O beautiful one, O darling Giridhari Lal. Tears are pouring from my eyes like a monsoon cloud burst. Please arise, O youthful Kishore, O dark Shyamal, O most beloved of Sri Radha. Please arise in my heart. Please arise, O maintainer of the cowherds. O darling of Yashoda, come, please come, O butter thief, O Lord of my life, please come, O youthful boy, bringing Radha along at your left, in the abode of Braj in my heart. Please come, O protector of Braja. In this song, the devotee is requesting Radha Krishna to come and reside in the temple of his heart. But temple should be properly purified, so the Lord and his consort can come and reside in our heart. It requires a lot of purification. Without chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, who can make this kind of prayer?